Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants pollinate zucchini? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can pollinate zucchini without intending to transfer the pollens because they are not true pollinating insects. They can slightly increase the pollination rate but cause more damage to plants by promoting aphids growth. They eat seeds and nectar from flower buds and destroy the young buds. Flower pollination by ants is known as myrmecophily, which indicates that these insects have some role in pollen's transfer from male to female flowers. However, they do not play any significant role in the pollination process because their bodies are not designed for this purpose. As foragers or workers lack wings, plants cannot pollinate by themselves and depend on small insects to transfer pollens because their male and female reproductive organs are present on separate flowers. Commonly, bees are responsible for transferring pollens to female reproductive parts, but ants can also help in pollination by visiting the flowers. Ants are not true pollinating insects, which means they do not transfer pollens intentionally. However, they reach the floral parts of plants in search of sweet nectar to consume it. Moreover, the blooming flowers can grab the attention of these sugar-loving insects because they like to eat floral secretions from young buds. Honeydew is the primary source of nutrition for these insects because most of the ant species associate with aphids and eat their excretions. These tiny insects can also reach the zucchini plant if there is an aphid infestation because they are mutually associated with each other for honeydew. The pollens can accidentally attach to their bodies when they reach floral nectaries or other parts of the plant and are also left accidentally on other flowers when they move to the next plant. Therefore, you cannot consider ants good pollinators because they are not intentionally involved in the transferring process and increase the overall rate slightly. Pollen grains are small, lightweight and sticky by nature, which are present in flowers or particularly within anthers. These sticky particles can attach to their bodies during visits. These pollens can remain attached to their bodies when they leave flowers after sucking nectar. Sometimes these insects take them to new plants without intending to play a role in pollination. Accordingly, they can transfer pollens from one flower to another when moving to suck their nectar. They suck the juice from buds to get energy and leave pollens on the male flower by chance. Queens are not involved in this process because they remain inside the nest while workers contribute to it, but their efficiency is not good as they lack wings. They cannot fly to reach another flower and walk on the ground to reach the other plant, which can lead to detaching of pollens from their bodies, reducing the rate of pollination. In addition, workers keep cleaning their bodies with saliva to remove debris from exoskeletons, antennae, legs, and heads. They can remove pollens during cleaning by considering them debris. So they can transfer pollens by carrying these sticky particles on their bodies that can sometimes fall on the ground when they are crawling fast. It is essential to keep ants away from zucchini plants because they can cause harm to the leaf structure, flower buds, and even fruits. You have to find an attractant that grabs the attention of these tiny insects toward plants. They probably get attracted to aphids honeydew primarily, so you have to deal with aphids first. Wash the plant surface using a garden hose to remove the aphids on the stems, leaves, and flowers. It can help reduce the aphid population and chances of ant attacks to a maximum extent. Moreover, you can use some natural repellents to keep these insects away, so they do not like the strong scent of spices, lemon, and mint. Accordingly, spraying pepper or cinnamon powder around the plant periphery will help build a barrier around the plant as they cannot cross this barrier. In the same way, you can also use chalk to deter these insects because the 2 to 3 inch thick boundary of chalk restricts them from crossing the line. Grow lemon and mint plants close to zucchini as their strong aroma irritates these tiny insects and they do not dare to get closer to the plant. Thanks for watching the video.